On the ERGO data homepage, select Individual Data to take you through to the stored data sets. To conduct a query or interrogation, click on the Query button. A list of surveys appear, which provides access to millions of individual datum. There are currently 80 surveys listed, and this list is continuously growing. Scroll through until you find the survey you wish to interrogate and select it, then press Continue. If you wish to limit your search to a particular gender or set of measurement criteria that all your data must meet, this is the stage to do it. If you don't wish to add additional criteria, press Continue. Choose the measurements for your test by selecting them and clicking Add. There is a maximum of 20 allowed. For this example, we'll use buttock knee length and sitting height. It's important to choose all measures that you want to use in subsequent tests, otherwise you have to repeat this step. There are a number of tests that can be performed. To start, we will look at basic summary statistics. This gives measures such as minimum, maximum, mean, standard deviation, and variation. To conduct other tests, go back. The next button gives percentiles, which can be viewed as 5th, 25th, 50th, 75th, and 95th percentile. Correlations are shown next and are available for the measurements previously selected. The next button gives us simple linear regressions. The only measurements available in these tests are the ones pre-selected earlier. Select Continue to show the correlation plot. The equations for both X and Y axis are shown in the right-hand side. Select Other Test or Graph to take you back to the menu. The top right button gives a contingency table for the selected measures. You can adjust the minimum, maximum, and step value for each measurements or accept the defaults, then select Continue. The contingency table matrix appears with valuable information such as percentage of population with various measurement combinations. The values are color-coded to facilitate reading. For example, the red numbers, positioned in the matrix, indicate the total number of subjects that have any particular combination of buttock knee length and sitting height. The total number of subjects in the sample is shown in the bottom right-hand corner. For this sample, it is 294. You can choose a histogram for any of the previously selected measurements. These are available from the drop-down menu. Again, you can alter the minimum, maximum, or step size. A histogram is a relative frequency graph. This is shown here for buttock knee length. The x-axis shows the measurement range, and the y-axis shows the number of occurrences that value has in the data set. The next button shows a correlation with a bivariate scattergram. Select your measurements to compare, then click Continue. This will display the bivariate graph with buttock knee length on the x-axis and sitting height on the y-axis. Below the graph is a table with summary statistics such as minimum, maximum, mean, variance, and standard deviation for each given measurement. The next test shows the confidence ellipse. Select two measurements that you want displayed and click Continue. The scattergram is shown with an ellipse encompassing 95% of these data. The correlation coefficient is shown on the right.